After almost 3 weeks in the desert, we made a quick stop up in Park City to clean out the dust and restock on supplies. It was time to leave Utah. Time to head to the unknown, places I've never been before. Where are we going? I have no clue. But we're destined for adventure, and I'll be damned if I'll let a little pandemic get in my way. So up north we go, to Montana, Idaho, Yellowstone, Grand Teton, wherever the road takes us. And this is how not to kill your girlfriend on a road trip.
Oh, get the strawberry!
Where are we going first?
It was in the pool.
I think I'm gonna go to what is that? The mountain that Will was, or the lake that Will was talking about. Bear Lake, yeah. And then you're going to Oregon, and then I'm going up to Wyoming to the bridge of Grand Teton, and then maybe Oregon from there. Oh. Now she's packed. Yeah, it is. It's taco time. You ready?
I'm ready, baby.
The trip wasn't easy by any means. There was definitely a lot of frustration, not knowing where we were going, not knowing where we were going to find our next camp spot. There was a lot of uncertainty, but we made it work.
Another wonderful spot to camp out here tonight. Pretty stoked on it, yeah.
All the parks were closed. We hiked around the campsites that we could find. There weren't many, but we got good at it.
Determine the types of plants and animals that exist in each community.
Oh, dude. No, shot. Yeet.
I like to use cotton swabs and kick those butt and spit.
Shit, yeah, dude. What a beautiful view. What a beautiful, beautiful view.
Unfortunately, we didn't experience the best weather in Wyoming, but we just bunkered up at a nice little camp spot out in the Grand Teton National Forest. My goal, to hang out until the weather cleared up so we can get some clear shots of the Grand Tetons.
That's the horse track. Two. He's a healthy guy.
Billy O. Cooper here. Today, I'm looking at a beaver dam. I can't see any bloody beavers in there, but I'm pretty dang sure it's a beaver dam. Also, bad territory. We're in it. Undeniable. I mean, we've got footprints, we've got feces, and more importantly, the evidence don't lie, we've got fur. Real life black bear fur, right on the end of a tree. I'll show you. Here, take a look at the footage. Beautiful. Oh, just the amount of effort. All right, let's get in there and see if we can see any beaver. Oh, beaver. Oh, beaver. Beaver? Any beavers in there? I'll see. Beaver. Oh, beaver.
You still wouldn't want to be in shitty weather anywhere else.
Shoo! A full-blown hailstorm out here in Wyoming.
It's moving day. Those Tetons, not visible whatsoever.
We'll pack up. We're gonna head up to Montana. See what we can find up there. Hopefully better weather, but I'm skeptical.
And just like that, we're out of here. He's a beaut. Keep Wyoming wild, baby.
Yee-hoo! 4 days of overcast weather. We finally breached the Teton. Yeah.
Alright guys, this is a brand new one we wrote about being trapped on Long Island. You ready?
Trapped in a cage to escape, does his best. To the left, nothing's right. To the right, nothing's left. Had a dream in his mind and a love for a quest. And a judge of a world that just wasn't impressed. Feels the cold in his palms when he's hands to the bars of a vengeful regret while he stands in the yard. Eyes in the sky, man plans for the stars. As he shoots for the moon, he just lands in the dark. Sick of being stuck, it begun with his stomach ache. Feet in the ground in a town, he can't run away. Clung to his life.
sun suffocates.
Wait, these two tasted the fable. Can't win first while you race from the stables. Flies with the strings till his weight breaks the cables as he falls to the ground. It's a waste of an angel.
Beautiful, beautiful, yes. Just like that, we made it over to Teton Pass, ladies and gentlemen. Next stop will be in Idaho and then Montana. Brianna, we're a week onto the road. We found ourselves another beautiful spot. Give me a little 1 week update. How we doing on supplies? How's our morale?
I think that we overstocked on food, which means that we're perfect right now.
We
I was like, oh shit, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you got hella beans, bro.
We could also, ooh.
This whole side is your food.
I don't know, yeah. So I'm feeling pretty good.
All right. 1 week in, we're doing pretty good on supplies. Not bad.
And we've been really killing it and finding good dispersed campsites.
Fuck yeah. Look at this shit. This is tight.
Those have been too close.
Oh, you mean. Next up, Montana.
Stuck in a bubble with a town unbelieved it. Tries to escape, but he's chained to the beaches. Citizenship suck lifeless from leeches. Wishes on death when he's hell-bent on leaving. Easily dismayed when the tide and the season change. Easy to explain where the mind and the feeling lay. Buried in a village, underlined in a silver way. Hurry to the hill so you can watch it all in disarray. Welcome to the place where you can hang in the backyard. Green grass grows where the dogs and the cats are. Sharp fine skills like the teeth
Of a hacksaw.
lifelong residents with Suffolk and Nassau. Lost in the wake of a pandering thought. Got caught in a wave by the state of New York. Came a slave to my brain by the way that I talk. I made a name for myself and I won't let it be lost. I will remember your name and face on the day you were judged by that funhouse cast. So you'll fall from grace when I ski from the sky like none shall pass.
What do you think of our new campsite?
Yeah.
Hey, Brianna.
We were doing it. We were out in the wild living. And it was awesome. But we had nothing better to do. So we just explored.
Boom. Got us some water.
Nice.
What do you got cooking?
Potatoes.
Ooh, yeah.
Lots of them.
All right, Brianna. You gotta survive the rain.
So after spending some time near Jackson Hole, we shot north up into Montana. We had a couple buddies we were gonna go meet up with.
Just a second, sweetie.
Bad boys go to heaven.
Good girl, go to hell.